Hi, welcome to the Real Education. Friends, in this video I will talk to you about how to download applications in your Sharp TV. As you all know that Sharp TV have Google Android system, but here is a problem with the Google Android system. We can download our Google Play Store applications, but on the Google Play Stores have very limited applications. So how we can sideload our applications, how we can download third-party applications? As you can see, here is the option of applications. As you can see, this is the applications options. Click on it. Then here is the option of get more applications. This is the Google Play Store. After opening your Google Play Store, you can download many Google Play Store applications. Here is available, all popular applications are available. So how we can download other applications? Because Google Play Store have limited applications available, not all applications are available here. So in this video, first of all, we have to download a application which I want to tell you. Here is a search on Google Play Store, and here is options of search, voice search. So click on it and search here, send file. As you can see, I searched these applications, and now you can see that here is the options of send file. This is the application. We have to download this application. First of all, I already installed this application, so you can, after installing this application, we have to open this. Here you can see this is the interface of this application. Now if we want to download any sideload applications, how we can do it? If you want to download from your Google Play Store, you can download directly from your Google Play Store. Google Play Store have many applications, but there is some limited applications. If you want to download any applications from Google Play Store, then you have to click on just applications, and then you can install it. This is the option of install. Then click on it, you can install it. So now in this video we will talk about how to sideload other applications which are not available on Google Play Store. So after downloading your send file applications, after downloading and installing this application on your TV, then you have to install applications in your mobile. You have to pick up a mobile, as you can see on the Play Store, and if you have an iPhone, then you can click on it. Then here is the option of send files to TV. This is the application. We have to install this application from our Google Play Store to our mobile phone. And friends, if you have any problem with this application, then you can contact me on the Instagram. I will really help you on the Instagram, my Real Education for you. This is the ID of Instagram. You can follow and message me if you have any problem. So friends, after installing this application, as you can see, this is the application of send file to TV. Then open this application. This is the interface of this applications. We have to skip for everything and make sure you are connected the same Wi-Fi. If you are not connected to same Wi-Fi, then you can't give the permission. After giving them permissions, we have to change the transfer directions and many options available here. I am clicking on back. After this is the interface of this application, as you can see. So now as you can see, I am connected to same Wi-Fi. Here you can see this is the Wi-Fi name, which name is Real Education. You can see that this is the Wi-Fi name, Real Education. I already connect this same Wi-Fi with my mobile screen. And please subscribe my channel if you are new to this channel. As you can see, I connected to same Wi-Fi on my mobile. This is the Real Education Wi-Fi, as you can see. Now which application you want to sideload in your TV? You have to search on Google. Right now I want to sideload a Aptoide TV applications for my TV. So click on Google Chrome browser and open your browser on your mobile screen and search here, new tab. I want to open a new tab and search on Google Aptoide TV. I want to download this applications Aptoide TV for my mobile screen. Then click on it. Then download your applications. So download your Aptoide TV. As you can see, I downloaded my Aptoide TV applications, and how I can send it to my TV and install it. After it, we have to click on home button and open our application which are installed from Google Play Store, which name is send file to. Open this application. Friends, you can download any applications as you wish. Then you can send your applications from your mobile to your TV. As you can see, this is the interface of this application. Click on send. Then select a folder which you want to download from your Google Play Store and which you downloaded from Chrome browser. I am downloading right now. I am downloaded a Aptoide TV applications. So I want to send this application from my mobile screen, my mobile phone to direct my TV. Then click on Aptoide TV. This is the my TV name, and then we have to click on next. You can see this is the file is transferring right now. Which application you downloaded from Chrome browser, your downloaded application is transferred to your mobile TV. Then we can install this application in our TV directly. So now select this option and open this right now. Oh, here is many types of options available here. Click on open. Then click on show settings. After here is the option of allow. You have to allow all permissions. Here is, as you can see, this is the option are send file to TV. Allow these options. Then go back. Then click on it and then open. Here is the option of install. As you can see in the bottom, here is the option of install. So click on install it. Now your application is successfully installed your TV. You can download any application from your Chrome browser to your mobile. After you downloading application in your mobile, then you can send the application from your mobile to direct your TV wirelessly. Then click on open this application, and as you can see, this application is completely working in my TV. I downloaded this application from a Chrome browser from my mobile, then I send this application from my mobile to directly TV, then it is working completely very fine in my TV. As you can see, this is the interface of you want to download or not. There is option of many types of options available here. Allow your all permission of this applications, and then here is many types of options available here on the home page. You can download ultimate applications which are not available on Google Play Store. You can download any games, any applications. All applications are available in this application. I have to allow the all services of this application. Click on allow. After allowing all permissions, we have to click on next, and you can see I downloaded all applications and all applications is working fine. And friends, also Aptoide TV have many types of others applications available. You can download many types of options and applications just like games and entertainment and many others applications. Games are available here. You can download any other game as you wish. I hope that this video is really helpful for you. If this video is really helpful for you, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.